Hey guys, are you want to buy best mud flaps for off-road vehicles? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mud flaps for off-road vehicles that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Reevaa Mud Flaps. The Reevaa Tesla Model Y mud flaps are expertly designed to deliver maximum protection and durability for 2026 Model Y owners. Built with the same PP plus TPE composite material as Tesla's factory parts, they ensure long-lasting resistance against snow, mud, gravel, dust, and road debris. Precision engineered through 3D laser scanning, these flaps align seamlessly with the original body holes for a flawless, damage-free fit. Installation is effortless, no extra tools or expertise required, thanks to the original hole design, included hardware, and a step-by-step video guide. Their all-weather guard design reduces paint damage, limits frequent washes, and extends your vehicle's life while maintaining its sleek appearance. Reevaa backs their product with responsive 24/7 customer support, ensuring a worry-free experience. For Tesla owners seeking both protection and factory-level quality, these mud flaps are a top-tier upgrade. Now our second product is Wigoo 2025 new Tesla Model Y mud flaps. Wigoo's mud guards for the 2025 to 2026 Tesla Model Y, Juniper, combine precision engineering with military-grade durability. Designed to exact OEM standards, they blend seamlessly with the vehicle's curves, giving a clean, factory-fresh look while offering maximum protection. Made from PP/TPE military-grade materials, these mud flaps resist damage from road debris, snow, mud, and dust, ensuring long-lasting defense in all conditions. Installation is beginner-friendly, no drilling or special tools required, simply align with Tesla's original mounting points and secure with the included screws. What sets Wigoo apart is its aerodynamic design, which minimizes drag and reduces energy loss to just 3%, helping preserve driving range. Tested for durability and backed by 24/7 customer support, Wigoo mud flaps provide an ideal balance of protection, efficiency, and sleek design for Tesla owners. Our third product is A Premium Universal Splash Guards mud flaps. These upgraded Universal Mud Flaps Splash Guards are a practical and affordable solution for protecting your vehicle from mud, dirt, and road debris. Made from durable PP plus TPE material, they offer strong resistance to wear in harsh conditions while maintaining flexibility. Designed for universal compatibility, they fit a wide range of vehicles including cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, and pickups. The package includes 4 pieces, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear, providing complete coverage and protection. Installation does require drilling holes, but this ensures a secure and long-lasting fit. Finished in a sleek black design, they not only shield your vehicle's paint but also add a subtle, customized look. Perfect for drivers who want reliable, cost-effective protection and the satisfaction of personalizing their car's durability. Now number 4, JTYZSM Mud Flaps. The JTYZSM mud flaps are a rugged, vehicle-specific solution designed exclusively for 2017 to 2024 Ford F-250/F-350 Super Duty models without OEM fender flares, single rear wheel only, not dually. Built from premium, weather-resistant materials, these splash guards are tough enough to withstand extreme cold, heat, mud, snow, and gravel while maintaining their shape. Their thickened design adds durability and ensures reliable protection against dirt and road debris, keeping your truck cleaner during off-road or daily use. Installation is straightforward, no drilling required. Each set comes with all necessary mounting hardware, allowing you to simply remove stock screws, align the guards, and secure them in place for a perfect fit. Combining strong protection with easy installation, these mud flaps are an excellent choice for keeping your Super Duty in top condition. And our last choice is Tecoom Mud Flaps Splash Guards. These durable mud guards are engineered to deliver reliable protection and long-lasting performance, especially for off-road driving. With a thickened design and impact strength up to 10 MPa, they resist deformation thanks to added tenacity compounds, ensuring toughness in harsh conditions. Manufactured in TS16949 certified facilities, each guard is precision molded and OE compatibility tested for a flawless fit, making installation seamless. They effectively block mud, sand, and road debris, helping to keep your vehicle clean, and they're easy to wash off when dirty. Built for durability and convenience, these splash guards combine strength with user-friendly design. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that if you're not satisfied, a hassle-free refund is available. A smart choice for drivers seeking both fit and resilience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.